Hi again, farming people. We are going to be continuing on our series of the farm set, and today we're going to be making hay bales. This is number 4 out of 6 of the videos, so if you see something in that picture you like of the other pieces, go find the video and we'll show you how to make it. Hay bales are very, very easy. You're going to start out with a yellow rectangle, and I'm using my knife and I'm just making lines and chopping up the sides. I do 3 of the sides because it's the bottom side I just don't bother with, because why bother? And when you make the lines, you can grind that knife in there, make some good deep ones, make lots of them, chop, 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 make it all lined up so it looks more like hay in a row. And it's going to misshape the rectangle a little bit as you press on it, but it doesn't matter, just keep on going, keep making your lines. The hay bale doesn't have to be perfect. In order to get the details on the ends of the hay bale, I just used the back end of my paintbrush and I just poked it a whole lot to make a whole bunch of little indentations just to give the idea of texture. I tried several different methods and this one seemed to work the best with the least amount of stress on my end and trying to figure out what the heck to do. You can see my fingerprints where I squeezed onto it, made little indentations, and it's no problem, just go back and chop, chop, chop some more. Alright, so now you got your hay bale and we're going to bundle it. In order to do that, I'm using my paintbrush again. And I'm just pressing indentations into the hay on the 3 sides. I'll do the side, the top, and then the other side. And I'm pressing down the corners too, because when the hay gets bundled, it squeezes it. So I'm trying to give that impression that it's being squeezed. And it'll look really good when it's done, so don't worry about that. And again, if your lines get messed up or something, you can always chop some more. You can always repress it. Gum paste is easy to work with. Once you have your lines there, all you need are 2 very thin strips of brown gum paste. I use my paintbrush to paint a little bit of water into the grooves. And then once the water is painted on there, a little bit on the bottom, because you're going to want to wrap it around completely. Yeah, I'm refixing that one because that one got a little filled out. Take your strips of gum paste and then lay it over the indentation and wrap it around. Cut off the excess so you don't have big tabs hanging. And then just press it all into place. Press down the bottom so that it's nice and tight, and then press the sides in to make sure that it goes into the indentations and it doesn't stick out too much. And then do the same thing for the other one. Just put two ropes, or whatever you want to call it, around them, and it'll give it a really nice, easy look. And once again, just paint a little bit of water on the bottom to hold your little tabs that hang over, so they're down and out of the way. Press it all into the grooves where they belong, and if anything is messed up, you can poke more dents in the sides, put more lines in it, no problem, and there you go, hay bale. If you like what you saw in the picture, if you want to do anything else with me, check out the other sets in the series, and if there's something you want to see made that isn't here, just leave a comment below. Thank you very much.